Extendex Data Unlimited, Business Intelligence on Demand, your source for business analysis, decision support, ad hoc reporting, snapshot processing. There is no programming required whatsoever. This product is simple, intuitive, powerful, and comprehensive. In this video, we will be presenting to you the preview of any data, whether from table or view, and how the properties on any column can be changed and retained for later reference. Now from the Extendex shortcuts, we'll select the Table Selection Wizard. The Table Selection Wizard will allow us to reference and read from any table or view the database objects, point to data tables and views which already existed in the database that we all previously set up. And the star schema objects reference views which were built in Extendex, also seen in a previous video. So we're going to go with the star schema objects and call up the view that we built earlier called star sales. Here we see all of the metadata, the names of all the columns and their type, which are part of that view. We can say which fields we'd like to see and which are hidden. We can hide them all and select the ones we want to see, or unhide them all and select the ones we don't want to see. From here we're going to proceed to the preview and extended information. First we're going to click to create a shortcut in the installation folder. That will allow us to avoid all of this selection process in the future simply by double clicking on the shortcut which will be created now. And we're going to go to the preview, and you'll see behind here that the shortcut was already inserted into the folder. So here we have all of the data, or at least the first 200 rows of data, and we see all of the columns and their names. So here we can say, for instance, rather than call something cuscomp name, which is taken from the SQL name, we're going to modify that, and we're just going to call that company. We can also say which fields need to be added up, accumulated, counted, or summated. So for instance, we see in the invoice total, we have in the properties, this is already shown as a sum, and its format mask is local currency, so it'll already have dollar signs or whatever your local currency may be. Furthermore, we can also show in the properties, for instance on that total, how we would like it to look in the advanced reporting. So we're going to say that is the data in the advanced reporting. This can be done there as well, but you'll see the value of putting it in here because it'll give a default for restarting it. So that concludes all of the preview information and being able to change all of the data. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video.